What's going on, everyone? So I've decided to start a new series, and that's living in my FJ Cruiser full time for the next few days. Could possibly be a week. But nonetheless, I am currently right now in Michigan. I was here for a bachelorette party, which I was the man of honor, so I was the only boy. But nonetheless, I did a road trip from Dallas to Michigan, 1,200 miles, in my FJ. And instead of just driving all the way back to Dallas, I've decided to make this a very long trip. Basically go explore Michigan, Indiana, and visit home Chicago. What are you gonna expect from this? Well, you're gonna expect a lot of scenic B-roll of different things, because right now it's fall time. So we're gonna basically get a lot of pretty scenery, nature, colors, all that good jazz. We're also gonna be doing a lot of fishing, mountain biking, hiking. I got Charles with me over here. Charlie. And that's the big reason why I drove to begin with, is because I wanted to take him on this adventure. All right, we're now on the chest cam. Get Charlie all situated so he's nice and comfortable in the car. We'll leave this one on. Down. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay, Charles has his water. He has this. Good boy. All right, love you, pup. We will roll down the window so you can breathe, but not enough where people can tell that my windows are rolled down. Don't have my mountain biking shoes, but that's all right. That should be okay. I should wear my pads, but oops. One way, do not enter, so he has a single track. Hopefully the view is good. Woo, it's actually quite nippy. Like I said, it's like 55 degrees right now. Right clockwise, keeping you. I don't know, guess we'll stay on the blue. So far this trail's not too bad. It's all hard packed soil, which is I like. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a much fattier tire on this bike. I believe it's a 2.6. It used to be a 2.4, but yeah. Whew, it's already fun. Nice. Hell yeah. Hope the whole section's like this, because that's fun. This trail is great. With the combination of my tires, the oval train ring, and the hard packed soil, it's making this like a breeze. Probably could go faster too, but I should pace myself since I've never been here and I'm by myself. Ooh. Where the bike trail engineers or just the community itself that designed this trail, kudos. And I'm so glad I kind of stumbled across this place, because I was dropping Charlie off to get boarded for the weekend. This is the Airbnb the girls and I were staying at. Didn't allow dogs, but as I was driving to his boarding place, which is called Diana's Personal Touch, if anyone thinking about visiting Traverse City and want to ride, go take them over there. Reasonably priced, 30 bucks a day. And as I was saying, as I was driving Charlie to go to Diana's Personal Touch, I just saw a sign that said single track trail. I was like, oh snap, that's convenient. And it was like just a few miles away. So it seems like
This is the go-to trail for Traverse City. And then there's another one near downtown, or basically in downtown, much shorter, but apparently the climbs are higher, but then you got some downhills and stuff. These tires are amazing. There you go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! This is great. Haven't rode a trail like this in a while. Everything in Texas, which I'm not gonna complain, is great. Especially Dallas has so many trails because of the Dorba Association, which is the Dallas Off-Road Bike Association. But all their trails are kind of repetitive because of the Texas terrain. So you got some loose rocks, gravel, sand. You do have some hardened soil like this in certain areas. But so far, the flowiness of this one is amazing. So this is what I prefer. I prefer a nice flowy trail. Yeah. Whew. I need to learn on braking before turns and not braking in the corners. Also for all my viewers, repeating reviewers that saw my old videos, like from my Harley or BMW, or even my real estate videos. Apologize for all the random content. Ooh, squirrel. All the random content you've been getting. Oh shit. This channel is still a work in progress, but essentially it's just a channel of my adventurous lifestyle while being a realtor, and just showing what you can do once you reach financial freedom, aka have no debt to your name, no major responsibilities, and yeah, and I live this lifestyle of just traveling, only living a lifestyle below your means, so you can keep doing all this stuff and have memories and adventures like this. So I have no kids, I just have a dog, girlfriend, everything's all paid off, I have no debt to my name. And because being a realtor, commissions are great. And again, I have no debt. It can fund all these adventures. Whew. To my left down, I see a pond or a lake. I'm gonna go check it out. But I also don't want to stop the ride because I'm really enjoying this. All right, seriously, this trail is great, man. So flowy. Climbs aren't terrible. As for climbing now, they're very short and gradual. And this honestly seems the most steep climbs so far. I'm assuming we're at least 2-3 miles in. For those who are new to the channel and just found this video because of the mountain biking, or came here from Throttle's YouTube channel where they you know, souped up my SJ Cruiser, I welcome you guys. But I said the goal with this channel is just keep doing these awesome road trips, awesome adventures, documenting my lifestyle. There'll be memories for myself, memories for whoever joins me on any of these trips. And who knows, this could turn to our permanent lifestyle. But so far it's working. Alright, looks like we got a small climb. Woo. Oh yeah. So far this is definitely an intermediate trail. Intermediate slash beginner, or more just on the intermediate side. Definitely some sections where if you're a beginner you may struggle with, but for the most part it's very straightforward because how flowy it is. And I'm surprised I haven't run into anyone from the parking lot. There's a decent amount of people here, and since it's a single track, oh never mind, I spoke too soon. I see someone. Morning, fellas. Oh, thank you. Just me. Y'all have a good one. So I appreciate it, fellas. But the person that got in my way was a lady. So I'm sorry if you somehow managed to watch this video. Also, if I have any family watching, hello everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. True MVPs of my life. Also friends and loved ones, everyone who's watching. If you're gone this far in the video, that means I haven't bored you yet. Or maybe I have, you're just waiting for me to crash. But nonetheless, thank you for the support. Hopefully this channel grows so much bigger. Thank you. See? We got a family out here, so great intermediate trail. So I'm starting to catch up to everyone I saw in the parking lot that started before me. So that's a good sign that we're definitely on the right trail, because there are other sections you can break off from, like the one we saw back there. But I want to do the main trail. So. Thank you, appreciate it. Have a good ride. Thank you. Thank you. That's what I love to see. Families out here, all pushing through. Great way to spend a Sunday. I'm really enjoying this trail. It'd be great to be more downhill stuff, more technical, but hey, for what this is, great. Oh, almost out of battery, and I didn't bring an extra one. It's in the car. So, just in case we lose out, we'll reconnect back at the car. But for now, enjoy the scenic route with me in Traverse City, Vasa.
Alright, we're back at the car. Like I said, the GoPro died, but that was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun indeed. Yeah, my hair's a little crazy right now, very flat. But we're back with Charles. He's enjoying this great weather. That was a great ride. So that was Vasa single track. It was around 14 miles. It could be much longer if you do the other loops that connect back. But I did the main perimeter, and I think I added a loop. I just met a great guy. His name was Jack. He's a local here, and he basically talked for the last 15-20 minutes just about other tracks or other trails, you know, I don't know, just random stuff. So Jack, if you're watching, you're a great guy. I appreciate a little small chit chat and everything, and the good tips and advice to where to go. It's also kind of hard to try to involve other people in these videos because it's, I don't know, it's kind of awkward to kind of just be like, oh, do you want to be in my video really quick? I mean, yeah, just something I have to get over. But Charlie is like seriously enjoying this so much. All right, Charles, come here. Come on. Look at this good boy. Yeah. And here you go. Charles, sit. Good. Yeah, not sure what we're gonna do next. I'm at least gonna change all of this because it's sweaty as hell. So I'll see you guys when I see you. this rate, we're never gonna get anywhere. But that's the beauty of doing a road trip by yourself with no itinerary. Because you can basically, let me get Charlie out of the car first. But you can basically find little hidden gems like this. Alright, so we have finally crossed into Michigan's Upper Peninsula. We just crossed over the Mackinac Bridge. We're at a rest stop right now. Me and Charles right over here. I think he's already done with my stuff. Oh, my shit. But honestly, I feel like Charlie's really confused. His life is very, very hectic. Some days or some weeks he's in the same spot. Others, he's at someone else's place. And other times, he's just stuck in a car for hours and days and weeks on end. I say he's living his best life, but who knows? Charles could be a homebody, and I'm just forcing him against his will to do all this stuff. Well, I'm sorry, bud. You're stuck with me. This is the face he's making. Well, since this is a rest area, I think this is where we're gonna spend the night and just sleep in the car. I am too lazy to move all my stuff around to do the stealth camping in the rear, so I'm just gonna sleep in the front seat and just tilt the seat back. And also realized I'm really close to Canada. Should we just go to Canada too? But I do also have my gun with me, so I think it's pretty easy to declare my gun. I think you just have to do some paperwork, declare your gun. And yeah, I think it'll be okay. Because since a lot of hunters and stuff, they go to Canada, so I'm sure it won't be that big of an issue. And, you know, it's not like I have my gun illegally. I legally own everything, so yeah, I may do that. Oh, wait, and I also have my archery stuff. So lots more weapons. Actually, I have a decent amount of weapons in the car. So don't mess with me. If you see this FJ, don't mess with it. And this guy, he's ferocious. If you see him, he's gonna bite you. Or lick you with lots of kisses. One or the other. Most likely the second one. Oh, okay. I need to do a better job with the storytelling because my vlogs are all over the place. So I apologize again for people who watch my vlogs and are completely confused on what's going on. And they probably click off of it within the first minute or two. And only my true MVP fans watch it all the way through just because they love me and cringe at everything I do. Well, that's okay too. Everything will get better over time. Oh well, that ends day one of this most random ass road trip, living in my FJ and all that jazz. So first thing in the morning, I'm gonna hop on a boat. So I'll see you guys on the boat. Later.